seeing Shamil arranging the Rubik's cube, and he is Shamil. Come on, man.
You have only 2 minutes.
Okay. He is Shamil, and he's from Kerala, and Malapuram. And everyone here at the audience is gathered for him. We are here for the national level science exhibition in Kanpur, JNV Kanpur, UP. And he's from Kanpur. He's our main guest. And everyone from Shillong region, Assam, and he's from the same JNV as
And
here,
you are
Kanpur.
from?
I'm also from Shillong region, Sikkim. He's from Assam. And that guy over there, he's from Tamil and Kasri. And everyone's around here are very great friends. Okay, and here's the Hyderabad region guys. Everyone, he's there. Okay, now the main show is going to be started. Come on, cameraman.
Timekeeper.
Timekeeper.
Ready.
Okay. Ready, steady, go. Okay, everything's cool. He's doing it very fast, guys. Timekeeper. It's almost 10 seconds. 15 seconds. 22 seconds, and he's doing it very well. Yeah, he's moving it really fast. Shamil, he's got extraordinary talent in making this. Okay, guys, I think he's going to make it in almost 40 seconds of time. Guys, timekeeper, what's the time right now? Oh no, it's 33 because we started late. And now he's going it very cool. He's moving his fingers as if they're meant to be made for this game. Okay, guys, it's done.
Time.
Whoa! 48 seconds, 59 milliseconds.
You fast.
That was the talent.
Very
Fast.
fast.
Here's the guy.